Thanks for joining me. This lecture topic is entitled Performance Test Project Overview. The next few lecture and lab sessions are intended to include performance test activities that attempt to meet the WebTours Performance Test Project we discussed in the introduction section of this course. The application is a flight management website with several major features and functions. Here is a chart to document the list of the major functions slated for performance testing. Treat this the same way we might conduct a performance test project. We should understand that most e-commerce companies in the business will have significantly more than 100 concurrent users expected. Our application is running on personal laptops. That is not enough horsepower to push the testing higher, so we need to restrict the user count to a manageable number. The project should include the following requirements. First, requirement 1. Identify what performance tests are needed based on the test requirements described. Requirement 2. The application will contain the 6 or 7 major functions that should be ready for delivery in sequence within 1-month releases. In agile terms, the application is being built in 4-week sprints by function starting with the registry function. Performance test activities could wait until 6 or 7 months or build its coverage during each sprint. We should revisit this concept. Requirement number 3. The separate releases should be for the following functionality: log in, log off, registry, flight inquiry, flight select and pay, flight itinerary, flight removal, and flight change. Requirement number 4. The developers and business analysts are concerned about weekly performance degradation due to possible memory leaks, high concurrency peaks, and database update degradation. This needs to be caught sooner than later. Requirement number 5. Confirm that function response times are averaging daily to baselines, no more than 7-second variance for up to 100 users concurrently. Requirement number 6. Confirm that the application can handle 100 users at peak traffic times. Requirement number 7. The application function should be able to handle the daily workload, up to 100 concurrent users. Requirement number 8. The performance test will be baseline, load, stress, and longevity. A spike test will be helpful with confirming daily expected traffic. Requirement number 9. Analyze the results and build a report documenting observations, recommendations, and conclusions. Requirement number 10. Identify what tests should be executed to confirm tuning and other app changes. Now for special notes. Number 1. When the WebTours application is installed, you can go to the directory and look in the WebTours CGI bin users directory path. There you will find valid users. Here are some users I created using the application. Now, number 2, to test flight itinerary, we need a utility run to create itinerary data for each of the fit users. Number 3, for flight cancellation, we need a utility script to add flight itineraries. This is necessary before each major performance test execution, so there are itineraries to remove. The 8 users should have 10 to 100 itineraries to impact data throughput, buffering, queries, and latencies. And then number 4, the registry function is necessary for use as a utility to add all the users needed for the other functions. My time has ended for this session. I thank you for yours. Join me in the next video.